Mixing my jello blunts, lubricant double cups. Designer drugs, you get seamed up. If it tastes good, niggas rolling like rollers, my rollers.
They top out the beans, the one with no space. Was driving the Sylvia, the gas like a brakes. I had a bean inside of the race, besides the tent, the curtain, the Summer gon' dance, they come in their hands, my dick in her hand, I better get 8. I spent 60 bands on one of my kisses, the paperwork in my
What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We got the Xbox One, the Fortnite bundle one, the purple one, the dark Vertex, what is it? Dark Vertex? I don't even know what the damn skin is called. I got this Xbox because I just love it. I love the color. I love the way it looks, and I can't wait to see how it actually looks. So I went ahead and I traded the other one, my white one, and you know, got the money for that one, and I went to Best Buy and got my hands on this one. So we're gonna do the unboxing and the review for this, and we're gonna see how it looks. I can't wait to see how that color actually looks in person. You know what I'm saying? You know, Xbox, we got our PlayStation right there, our Pro right there, but we do have an Xbox as well. I always had the Xbox. I just don't play on it as much. You know what I'm saying? To me, there's no competition, man. They're both consoles. They're both good consoles. I don't care about PlayStation versus Xbox. I like both, you know what I'm saying? I grew up with both, so yeah. But let's go ahead and open this. So let's put more light over here so we can actually see the actual color. I don't want to miss the color on it. So, you know what I'm saying? So right here, we just have the regular box, Xbox Fortnite bundle. Nothing too special. The side of it, you know, Fortnite, Xbox Live. I think it comes with a free live. And it also comes with a free month of live. I know it comes with the skins, with the V-Bucks, all that. You know, regular Xbox One box. Nothing too crazy with the sleeve. So we're gonna go ahead and just, you know, cut this up. Now they did this a little bit weird. This box does feel heavy as hell too, like heavier than the other ones. But it might just be me right now. Just you know what I'm saying, the way I'm holding it, the way I'm trying to do the video and holding it, that might be why it feels so heavy. But it feels like, take the hell out of this thing. That's the last tape, yeah. That should be the last tape. So let's go ahead and slide it out of its sleeve box. So right over here to the main box, take the little sleeve off. Oh man, look at this. Xbox One S. It has a little purple one. I like the two-tone. It's like purple and it transformed into black. Can't wait to see the controller and all that. It has the controller right here. Purple controller. It looks black, but I think in person it's gonna look a little bit more purplish. And you guys can see it good right here. A good image of it, of how it's gonna look. And let's open it up, man. Let's see how it actually looks in the inside. Like I said, I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. I've had it here since 2 days now. I haven't been able to do the unboxing video, so it's just been sitting there on the side of my bed waiting to get unboxed, and I've been waiting and waiting to do this unboxing video. I was like, I want to open it, but like, no, I want to open it. I want to do it with a video, and I want my, you know, my legit reaction to it. I didn't want to open it and then you know, open it again for the video and like, oh, you know what I'm saying, like it and stuff like that. But yeah, enough of the talking, man. I talk a lot sometimes. Let's go ahead and open it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna come with all our regular stuff. Nothing too crazy. So as soon as we open it right here, we see Xbox One, the little Xbox One card, how it tells us how to turn it on, how to power it up. Our little startup guide right here. If you guys don't know how to start up your Xbox, this will help you out. And then nothing special here as well. So let's go ahead and we're gonna start off with our you know, our cables and all that stuff. We'll start off with the small stuff. So right here we have this, and in here, you know what I'm saying, we already know what comes in here: the power cable, HDMI, but we're gonna go ahead and do it for you guys doing the unboxing video. So we have the HDMI cable right here. I will say it's about Microsoft and Xbox. I love their HDMI cables way more than Sony's. Like these are so sturdy and so thick. Like these are so thick, and they just feel high quality. Like high quality HDMI cable right here. Not compared to the PlayStation. The PlayStation ones, they're deep. They're regular. Nothing special about them. But those, you can feel the quality on the cable. They really do look sturdy. Power cable right here. You know what I'm saying? And then we also have the controller right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the controller. put this to the side somewhere. I'm gonna put everything over here. We're gonna put everything right there right now. So right here we have our controller. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now I'm dying to see what this actually looks like, you know, in person. Oh geez, it's like a it looks black on camera. I don't know if this thing's gonna be able to pick it up, but it's like it's a dark purple. It's a real dark purple. Let's see if we can get this light over here so you guys can actually see it. Like a real dark purple. I don't think the camera's gonna be able to. You can see it actually. Kind of look like a navy on camera. But you guys can see the little buttons right there. You guys can see the purple. It's a real dark purple. Looks really clean. And then in here we have the batteries in here. I like it, man. I like it. Let me know what y'all think about this controller, man. It's like a dark purple, real clean controller. Put it over here for right now. Put that over there right now. Let's try to stand it up so you guys can see. Yeah, right there. It's like a dark purplish. So last thing is the console itself in here. Now this is what I'm dying to see. I really want to see what this looks like. Oh, that is not the last thing. I forgot we have the little Fortnite bundle thing. I'm not gonna show you guys the code because I am gonna you know, right here you guys can see the Fortnite battle pack. It comes with, it doesn't say what it comes with, but you guys can see right here the little battle pack. I'm not gonna show you guys the code, like I said, because I need that code for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get the skin and stuff like that. But here is the little pack, code on the back. And that's something else that it comes with. Xbox Game Pass. If you guys do want the Game Pass, you guys can have this. Yeah, you guys can have the code for the Game Pass if you guys want this. I'm not gonna use this. So you guys can pause the video right there. I don't know if it's like, let it focus. Let it focus. Yeah, right there. You guys can pause the video and whatever, and use that damn code. I don't care about the Game Pass. It has a little startup guide, and finally, we have the system itself. Let's go ahead and pull this on out. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So you know what I'm saying, we have the protection on it like always. I love unboxing new consoles. Like it's a good feeling of unboxing a new console. You know what I'm saying? Because it's something that's like expensive, and it's just exciting to unbox. So we're gonna take all this stuff off. We don't need this. We don't need this, man. This thing looks nice. You guys can see the two-tone right there. You guys can see how it goes from light purple over to a dark purple, kind of like black, but it's not fully black. But once you have it in person, it's not fully black. It's like a dark purple. Man, this thing is real nice. So right here we have on the back Xbox One S. I believe this one's 1 terabyte as well. Yeah, 1 terabyte. I didn't even check that. I just picked it up. I didn't even check how if it was only 500 or if it was a whole terabyte. But it is a whole terabyte. Like I said, man. And if you guys are Xbox heads out there, I know you guys seen that the next Xbox comes out, what, holiday 2020. I seen that, the what do they call it, Spectre, something like that. So we'll see what that's about as well. The main thing, I'm gonna try to get my hands on the PlayStation 5 or whatever they call it, and then after that we'll see about the Xbox later down the road. But I love it, man. You guys can see right there that just the two-tone on it is just so clean. That light purple going into that dark purple. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Comment down there. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this color? It's a nice system. It's a nice system. You know, it's something nice to have. It's limited as well, guys. So you know what I'm saying, if you guys do want to buy this, you gotta be a little bit quick on it, because once these sell out, they won't be coming out again. And you know, I'm stick with this Xbox for until, you know, I'm stick with this one until it's done. You know, like I'm gonna keep this one, not getting another Xbox One, not trading for no other edition. I'm sticking with this one. This one is so clean. It's just purple, and it's just so clean, man. I love it. Let me know what you guys think personally about it. Thoughts and opinions. You know what I'm saying? I would plug it up, but so you guys can see it turned on, but you know what I'm saying? It's not different. It's just this gonna turn on. But let me know what you guys think about it. Two-tone, man. Like, you guys see that two-tone right there. It's just real clean, real nice. I love it. The color is nice. Let me know your opinion. Appreciate the love. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Y'all didn't know all that good stuff, man. We're trying to hit 30K, so help me out. 30K, and you know what I'm saying? Add me on Xbox if you guys do have Xbox. I need friends on Xbox. I have no friends on Xbox. I have like 5 or 6 friends on Xbox. I need people to play with on Xbox. Add me, and let's run it up, man. Appreciate it. Hit that subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate it. God bless.